All right. First time starting the bike on the channel with an exhaust on. Alright, of course I got the beautiful check engine light because the bike isn't tuned yet. I'm coming back tomorrow early to tune it. The tune? Yeah, they couldn't tune it today, so very nice. Thank you, thank you.
Kickstand.
This feels weird. It's like a different bike. Woo-wee. Oh my god, it's like freezing right now. Holy! People can hear me coming now. Yeah, trying to take it easy on the bike because, you know, it's not tuned. It has a new air filter on and has new exhaust, no cats, all that good stuff. So yeah, I need to tune it before I go ham. So it's just gonna be a cruise and kind of like a first reaction in this video, but oh boy, I'm already loving it. And I also can't see nothing or hear nothing. Yeah, I think the bike is idling a little like too low. Finally, it sounds like a real bike. Those shifts sound crisp. So yeah, we're gonna be going back to the shop tomorrow to get the tuning done because we want the bike to run good, you know. It's actually not, I thought it was gonna be like very like drony and annoying on the bike. It's not that bad at all. It sounds like it drones, but it's not like as bad as I expected it to be. Oh, I want to go fast so bad. It's like freezing right now. But you know, I don't want to go too hard with my messed up air fuel ratio right now. So I gotta take it easy on the engine. shifting just for the hell of it. Those shifts sound crazy. It's such a nice pop. My OCD doesn't like that check engine light though. It's okay, tomorrow. Hopefully. I told you guys in the last video that I wasn't sure if we're gonna be done with the tuning and all that stuff in one day. And I was right, but at least we got both the air filter and the exhaust put on. Everything went fairly smoothly. And now it's time to get in trouble with this bike. Oh my god. And I need gas. We've come a long way, boys. A lot of the carbon's on the bike, the exhaust is finally on the bike, air filter, all that good stuff. There's a lot more to come, but we're you know, getting the essentials finally done. And hopefully in about a month or so the bike will be, maybe a month or two, the bike will be complete, and we'll film a little video for this bike, just like how I did with the H and the R1M, and add this bike to the intro. It's pretty loud. I feel it in my ears now. It's catching up to me. Oh my god. Oh man, the sound is so cool. That's so unique. When that dry clutch comes into it, it's gonna sound even more unique. But we're lit up over here. Christmas tree. Oh, I can't see shit. It's all fog. The bike sounds very different with the visor up too. Holy shit, the echo in between the cars. Chevron right here. Whoa, what the hell was that? I definitely didn't do that. Every single one is being used? Like for real? Wow. Alright. I guess we're waiting to get gas. That happened again. I did not do that. Oh man, did I just step on this gum? Feels like it. Alright, that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I know we've all been excited to see this bike with an exhaust. Now it's finally done. Next video is going to be really fun, so tune in. I'll see you guys very soon. Peace out and ride safe.